How to open secret chat in Kakaotalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to open secret conversation or say chat on Kakaotalk. Let's get started. First, open Kakaotalk application on your device. Now once you are in, tap on this chat right here. Now once you tap on chat, all you have to do is tap on this chat icon at the top. This second one, tap on this chat icon right here. Here you can see secret chat. Tap in secret chat. Now here you can just select the friend like this. Now once you select it, tap on OK. Once you do that, your secret chat room is created. As you can see, secret chat is only available from the mobile application, so it can't be done from your laptop device, so you can just do it from your mobile. Now you can start your conversation from here. And that's it. This is how you can start a secret chat and Kakao Talk. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching.